Welcome to another beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's just such beautiful weather we've been having. Rather than the gloomy, dreary, rainy looking days. This one will be a 24 feet wide, 30 feet deep Saltbox style with a storage truss upstairs. Should be a really, really cool project. We've pinned all four corners. We used the transit and got the corners set to the correct height. Now we've run a string all the way around. We're going to set the forms in or out. So 1 inch is what we usually leave all the way around the inside. So we'll know exactly where to put those. And then as we put the stakes in, we'll check the forms out here in the middle instead of the corners. Pull them up or down as needed. I didn't measure to the string. We have trenched around the entire perimeter to give it a nice thickened perimeter. That works really well because if the ground is dry, which this is swaled all the way around, so there's no water going to come to it. It'll stay dry. Moisture is what it needs to crack concrete or clay. There's no clay here. So we've got it all leveled. We're going to put the plastic out now. Rebar is all down, 1/2 inch rebar, spaced 2 feet apart, and we do a double thick row all the way around the perimeter for extra strength. After we finish putting the rebar down here and we're going to tie it off now. Once that's done, we're not coming back tomorrow because it's supposed to rain, but we'll be back the following day. We have concrete ordered and secured. Hopefully we get it. This is from a different company because we're almost an hour and a half away from home. So it's a little bit of a jaunt. We don't usually go much further than this. Time to tie it. Now we'll lift the rebar up off the ground, cement blocks, pieces. Good morning. Incredible. The truck beat us here. That's, I don't know if it's ever happened. Two pours in a row and they're early. I love it. This all happened so fast, I didn't get to talk at all. Go power screed next. We got it poured. That truck was early and those drivers were excellent. They placed the concrete superbly. I couldn't have done better myself, and yeah, I can't even drive one of those trucks. So it took 14 yards. There was a thimble full of concrete in the mixer left over. So Chad's just bull floating it now, and we'll wait for it to harden. We've gone over pretty much everything with the pizza pan the first time. Chad's just bull floating some things. It's still a little wet out in the center there. So we're just hand troweling around the perimeter, keep that nice and clean. We'll hit it again in half an hour. All right, we are ready to power trowel. I'll probably have to go over it 2 more times, but this is it. It's turning out pretty well. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, make a comment, and please subscribe if you're not a subscriber.